Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of notes, tasks, and projects cluttering your digital life? Ever wondered if there's a better way to organize your thoughts and streamline your workflow? Well, today we're diving deep into the digital note-taking battle of the century. Google Keep versus Notion. Which one is the ultimate productivity powerhouse? Let's find out. Part 1. Google Keep. The simple and sweet. Key features. Quick and easy. Google Keep is designed for effortless note-taking. Jot down thoughts, create checklists, and add images with minimal effort. Color coding. Organize your notes visually with color-coded labels. Voice notes. Record audio notes on the go and transcribe them later. Pinning and archiving. Keep important notes at the top of your list and archive completed tasks. Google integration. Seamlessly sync your notes with other Google services like Gmail and Drive. Pros. Simplicity. Google Keep is perfect for those who prefer a straightforward and clutter-free approach. Accessibility. It's readily available on all major platforms, including mobile and web. Integration. The integration with other Google services makes it a convenient choice for Google users. Cons. Limited features. While Google Keep is great for basic note-taking, it lacks advanced features like templates and databases. Organization. While color coding helps, advanced organization features may be limited for complex projects. Part 2. Notion. The powerful and versatile. Key features. Databases. Create and customize databases to organize information in various ways. Templates. Choose from a wide range of pre-designed templates for tasks, projects, and more. Linking and referencing. Connect related notes and pages to build a knowledge base. Collaboration. Work with others in real time and share your notes and databases. Customization. Customize Notion's interface and features to suit your specific needs. Pros. Versatility. Notion can be used for a wide range of tasks, from personal note-taking to team collaboration. Power. The advanced features and customization options make Notion a powerful tool for productivity. Collaboration. The real-time collaboration features make it ideal for teams and projects. Cons. Learning curve. Notion's features can be complex, requiring a learning curve for new users. Free plan limitations. The free plan has limitations on storage and features, which may be restrictive for heavy users. Part 3. Which one is better for you? Consider your needs. Simplicity. If you prefer a simple and straightforward note-taking app, Google Keep might be the better choice. Features. If you need advanced features like databases, templates, and collaboration, Notion is a more suitable option. Organization. If you require a highly organized system for managing projects and information, Notion's customization options can be beneficial. Integration. If you're heavily invested in the Google ecosystem, Google Keep's seamless integration might be a deciding factor. Both Google Keep and Notion have their strengths and weaknesses. The best choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple and easy-to-use note-taking app, Google Keep is a great option. However, if you need a more powerful and versatile tool with advanced features, Notion is the way to go. Ultimately, the best way to decide between Google Keep and Notion is to try them out for yourself. Experiment with both apps and see which one fits your workflow and preferences. Have you tried Google Keep or Notion? Which one do you prefer? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.